Hello again, everybody. I'm Senator Derek Kilmer from the 26th Legislative District, which stretches from the Narrows Bridge to downtown Bremerton. Welcome once more to my weekly video update from the state capitol. This week I'd like to talk to you about the Senate's transportation budget and what it means for those of us who rely on the Tacoma Narrows Bridge. As many of you know, there's been a great debate over the future of the tolls you and I pay to use the bridge. The State Transportation Commission has recommended a 50-cent increase to electronic tolls that regular bridge users pay. As you can well imagine, 50 cents adds up to quite a lot for those of us who pay it several hundred times a year. That's why I've dedicated so much of my time in Olympia to drive down bridge budgets that push tolls up. One of the major battles we're waging centers around a $5.3 million startup loan that financed early operations of the new Narrows Bridge. It comes due on June 30th, 2011. We've always known this payment was coming and have been working on ways to avoid it one way or another. Well, we think we've found it. I've managed to amend a tolling violations administration bill in the Senate to divert the fines that toll violators pay toward paying down the loan. The one hitch is that those dollars won't begin flowing toward paying down the loan until July of 2011, after the loan is due. And that's where the Senate transportation budget comes in. At my request, the budget proposal would defer the payoff date for the $5.3 million startup loan into the future. For the time being, this would take toll payers off the hook. And by removing this liability from the books, I'd argue it would give the State Transportation Commission all the reason it needs to keep electronic tolls where they are. Here's the best part. Under this plan, that revenue stream would continue to go to fund the operation of the Narrows Bridge, even after the loan is repaid. That means it could go to fund maintenance and other costs that could arise that otherwise might require a toll increase. Now, I know this sounds kind of complicated and there's a lot of legwork still involved, but these are the kinds of creative things we need to do to hold the line on Narrows Bridge tolls. It's why I've spent so much time scrubbing the Narrows Bridge budget, making sure everything in there directly supports the operation of the bridge itself or payment of the debt. Of course, all this effort would be worthwhile in any economy, but in hard times like these, families just can't afford to pay higher tolls. There may come a time when higher tolls are justified, but now isn't it. I'm going to keep fighting to make sure this plan holds together as it moves through the House of Representatives, and I hope you'll join me in keeping the heat on the Transportation Commission, who will have the final say on any toll increase. Thanks for watching this week, and I'll see you next week for another update.